Have you ever wondered how the legal system attempts to ensure that trials are fair and that decisions are made by an impartial group of people? Voir dire, a French legal term meaning to speak the truth, is the critical process through which attorneys and judges question prospective jurors to identify and address any potential biases or prejudices that could influence their ability to serve fairly. The fundamental principle underlying voir dire is the constitutional right to an impartial jury, often rooted in the Sixth Amendment of the United States Constitution. This process is designed to safeguard judicial integrity by attempting to identify both explicit biases, which are conscious predispositions, and implicit biases, which are unconscious attitudes or stereotypes that might prevent a juror from rendering a fair verdict. It seeks to uncover any pre-existing opinions, relationships, or experiences that could sway a potential juror's judgment, ensuring that legal decisions are based solely on the evidence presented in court, not on external factors. During voir dire, potential jurors are typically summoned to the courtroom, where they answer a series of questions posed by the judge and, in many jurisdictions, by the attorneys for both sides. These questions can range from general inquiries about their background and understanding of the law to more specific questions about their opinions on certain topics relevant to the case. Based on the responses, attorneys can then exercise challenges to remove certain individuals from the jury pool. There are two primary types of challenges. Challenges for cause, which are granted by the judge when a clear bias is demonstrated, and peremptory challenges, which allow attorneys to dismiss a limited number of jurors without needing to state a reason, although they cannot be used for discriminatory purposes. The strategic use of challenges for cause and peremptory challenges is a sophisticated aspect of trial advocacy. Attorneys aim to assemble a jury that, while not necessarily favorable to their side, is at least open-minded and willing to consider the evidence without prejudice. This often involves careful observation of nonverbal cues and the ability to interpret subtle indicators of partiality. The effectiveness of voir dire relies heavily on the candor and honesty of prospective jurors, who are expected to disclose any relevant information that might affect their impartiality. Ultimately, voir dire serves as a foundational mechanism for upholding justice by actively working to mitigate the inherent human element of bias within the jury system. By systematically evaluating potential jurors and allowing for their removal when impartiality is compromised, the process strives to construct a fair and unbiased panel, thereby reinforcing public trust in the judicial process and ensuring that trial outcomes are as equitable as possible.